Hello, agus fáilte Hugh Na Seansálaithe mas mailh seansa bhacu glociad Na Seansálaithe is mis Hugh Miguel Chara agus tamid arás a ríis I studio Radio Rira. This is Sraith Rob and Nickinish Bedger or not Minnick leor. I don't know, Bedger Dar Wolfman shot. This could happen more often. Not confirmed. Not confirmed question Darlu. What is confirmed is Goman Shaw, Lemohud, Kolaki, Lemohud Carja or Doospire, Tamashala Áine Weir. Áine, could you remember that?
Ínta Hugh, tá muid arás sa stúdio an gáiliú se gur fearne taimí a was gur dé tá chat síos gáiliú minic leor na sílam go gurí James as me hen íla hart lua go leor le bogun seo go lána imsre.
I mean, hug tú in Sean Radu I the hach agus tan the fairy light to us agus you know tá fáil callú inta is tí sa cha. Can't fi lad a bhí na fáil callú inta. Tá man seo fásta le James a Flaharta. James, do you remember that too?
Yeah, come on, yeah. Ní mín tád am se chuin húsan nach whatsoever. No extra activities not had in my head.
Extracurricular activities. Actually, do you know, I should have used a different segue. It can't be a good slabby Áine to man job.
Yeah.
Let James of Flaharta.
Bij mij de lab is nacht.
Oh, not my own tower. Not my own tower. James, the new Charlton Shaw's River Island. Jig a flake in the hall of you. Good. I know go Brian Halls go my as an audio format.
Yeah, maar niet de fish aan een job maar komen de studio. So kom eens kijken naar zien of we kunnen. Kom eens ik heb een camera voor het hokker zo staan. Ach ja, hallchen. We make over so dus maar we lachen dat sport samen river Romans just studio so kom maar zeggen River Island dat baste mo goddaughter on on der seachtainiúil so gaan we brand ook preparation you know then the picture look so yeah kom maar zeg bit of January sales you know poaching the sales racks chin agus yeah happy come on it
if you think you can do like thing a time mo go berla go ro boss saku as mar and past the aku was radio fashion editor and I was like hey let's just describing Adi basically is just in Pasta Viecchi was just being like oh and top shots for Ryland amazing Fisha just you have to see it they're just and Pasta's fucking handy real can you imagine like the raw art like you're being a fashion editor and you never once have to show get to the country
I'd say your skill for like though there now will ahan the novel day you know
oh probably but like how would you know what to Jenny come out though like in Higlet Ekel because it is a Kaihu, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, need to know exactly like Holly and the like cause I've been saying the influencers at Instagram with the chudert not had the name got a decal. So there's not just actually River Island the routines iskils the river gluna agus just current in the curshis became that the decal just all you know fit bras whatever it's neat.
1 second. Hucklin picture did she Kaihu na Hedi Chernarja Instagram that go dig lahan den compra Jenna as my matan skill sin ogat ma tatu Michael or Jenna Kershis and Hedi.
Well, I mean, this is a Kaius Majunocht. There's two literally be two like Tamafile curse Maju armhain because now some can fire more Jenny Taffet.
No, Shimmy Aller now let's come and wani me Stisa town in Asia and Rahim wouldn't waff and you rank be a couple of jaw. You know, we just give all of you have when you're you know scenario or be.
Cleaver the Tarly.
That Hugh got it alright now. Who's Hugh?
You $1 kunye.
Hold on a second. Ní hé kunye é. Tá just bulus was la.
Kunye cardule.
Cock.
This is a
cock.
This is a kunye cardule by definition. So.
Yeah, exactly. Mas cards and muds.
Yeah.
Well, gonna loft Éist though. Tá Hugh gonna kunye cardule. Nach o'r cad am hain na Áine I got Ní adach ige hain agus an cadín got a kunye seo. It's seachtainí?
Yeah,
seachtainí, yeah. So be Olach on the.
It's the fall be come on.
Oh, it's the fall be.
Yeah, so dinner date to talk.
That's unconfirmed. I don't know if we can be a go
So just cos le an duine víns chur síos or éadach chum síos a scenario seán is. So go an lad agus cadín kunye. Seachtainí ní chaach le chéadach údháin rih seo agus si gluach kunye cardú le in mí anger I dry January agus chiaapin gro DMs kinál got heart not so I think about kunye lads.
It's dry January in every sense of the word. It is.
Which glacier a pionti cardula ernar yeah so different ní he kunye card.
Kunye dry January ag dul idro moist February.
The James
I got it to moist February.
Oh, Jesus.
No, ní cheart an focail sin riú a úsáid ar bud seo. An déglinn, like, was gan go banned words ag daoine ar TikTok. An déglum sa just focail sin winch mahas bpodchraoladh seo.
Moist,
Yes. Na haber sinna look tá rá as rá agad ní cad go bhí rá rí.
Moist.
Sné. Tá muid chun sinna cearú má.
Sean Ked trid a big.
Yeah. Tá actually rán a golóir daoine ar focail.
Yeah, tá sé lufa.
Kifá.
Just an níl fuin
It's an S, it's like moist.
Stop a rá.
Sorry, don't you can't free fuck.
An déglinn leor fiúr dig ganile.
Ach má de chuir síos like frog. Ní se floch, ní se tim.
Yeah, so I just get the bug.
Yeah, ní se damp like.
No.
Se bug
dúirt tú-
níos flichi na damp.
Tash.
Tash.
Yeah.
Sin damp though.
Yeah,
I
tá
need
sí
a
go
frog
bra.
damp. Tá frog moist.
The frog.
Yeah.
Could you the frog agad?
Ní, ach like tá má chuir síos. Tá má chuir síos Tá má chuir síos on.
Yeah, Gabby had to give a Yanni feel the hair, so he just has to have a pet frog.
Yeah, tá má after women, tá má
On the frogs.
after women, off it all, so I'm on the frogs. Come on, you know, cos Prince Charming, like, I'm on the frogs looking for what I do.
Tás go mean like orgies all over ag frogany. So in our pond soáile been like so tá sin se leis na hificha obviously agus an sin tagan na tadpoles agus an sin tagan hartar céad frog as either lig I búlú crackin bachunne haachtan nó mar sin as an then bín si deime haéis.
Sin fidig nach Rossam, agus ní is tam Roma gera ormach, mé nis mu ringos í nocht.
Well,
tough.
you've just described an earth, basically.
Yeah, but ní muid le garchar chéile, well. Brahan sé ar an bhairt go se. Yeah, well, thug sib cainí ra go dom ag an
All right,
céine.
okay.
Dear shiver.
Not ag an am díach céanna. Bhí scheduled.
Bhí crossover between Joanne.
Carmen just sees a Google Doc. Bhí Google Calendar going le booking again or in Shamra. Country booking or in Shamra tan sha Barty and is around the initial tan earth's gonna be a rash. Ik Larne, fi tree. Kind I was mo for sin was buzzal, gomesh rash Larne, which for like and Rahamajet got that like what's the buzz?
Tá mis sásta mar bhí reintíní ra bhí ráflí goach se in gáliúm léine. As níime se anúirí in gáliú, Tá gurí dul taistil faoine an ortas agus bhís de rágamach se idir óstan comáid, so just ní hílan goach sin comáid amach se gáliú. As bheith daoine dulstá ag an mália comáid is sort of Jenna Jarmid an cúis go si down sílam, so sílam go an Glen Eagle fuirfa ní agan tú an óstan when you hear lá ní ein tú éúr a churbe ní ecan tú so down to Jarmid go sí le a muhin as sin dóid go cheart ó bheith sílam.
Say Morris car.
Yeah.
Careful to James with the buzz on Nish Gomain and Earth's Rasha Killarnia. Well, Caddo to the Rasha Killarnia. Gap to NEA and
Band.
And crack if you're sure looking.
Well, ich habe mir Cadam got rash on ach my false room is another thing.
Oh yeah.
So just warning fight again, Lena, the row fight again.
Ach like Criú close like oh look on do noch in the humor she's like a breakfast. We can order any bra sauce Michael. Ní so much bra sauce Michael no just a gaudy phone but humor she sag ek an noig grammaden so no stand agus honnig my truer shamra as a balle a brandworm. Agus ví sa go kuma kid vi masusla. Agus humor sag agus fleis should look mach gaudy. Agus we camera TJ card version was my horse and you can see cool no. So
Yeah. You're my jarm there's in New York what 3 years like collugan ahanihe den artist. Vi come a lia or in I'd say if we don't know. Nero funugan Nero would be full on fuin and then for the camera much. He mish gagad of keshkurt mag like she'd fish on it. Car ni aki mish release for be.
You're being sued. The Éist like Giliador Biggie Ray TG Car Biggie Ray.
Yes come and TG Car Vian Nero She'll much scale Bejer.
Bejer,
much sinfoni smash and worth or the man host like a joe.
Oh, I mean to the Roddy Jeremy Junior and the man host like a job fast. And we
well sure look.
We've said some fairly unhinged.
Ach sé kilán je ball in erchtas tó chiaaping. Dan Glen Eagle full for an erchtas. Was that was an gal mar dus enge like chá óstan níhaach ar craic an den chomáile sin tá ar poblbal má í ngáile go mocht daoine go seach gach lá nó gach iche ag na poblbal sin chun an nightlife aún seo an den go ará an óstan a den sé dénach nó go leis an óstan se dís níhach an tapmasú céan like just cá se lu go bheith óstan amháin agus cín óstan tá beganí amach an cahar so gleníil fufa le
agus ní stopan se le chuiche fásta ní cos tá haí le gramí le cheile just móhain se ní stopan a bar go dtí cheese le cé am san níir
Hartar cahar leí cahar
sí hóá an den
bhí se leir sé dó heappan ar rinachta nach
ag fós nírág daoine is go maií a bhíh muidir le just sa chala sa fáiste is leor an an sinctí hartar leí cehar den dúir siad ráid bearún beidir dul lí as bhí go leúir I'd say daoine a leanar húsna seomí lepa go dtí beidir sé an den dúirhan gro tríor clig de cúnas an óstan a haníthe dtí beidir nílog agus sin dúí a
an na daoine breakfast a chuir le cheile suller we all emerge then ag a bommatí ar not to be like right hash brown sin le dá
Godi chuig cheese chuig nó jeg so
Tá plán agad sa dó lein arachta sem leanana Tá is a gaiir runní tíanú
An ní dó gur ceirtún join sin do gooine go fáil
Beidir gur rúna bhéon an gapan tú
sí gur cheach mag sort exclusive níos journey
níos Jeremy
beidir tá sé luúid se le na bliana hiú
fair
clú am go all
watch this space I mean heitling gur whiteling podcast dhéanú hí san generate
Sú go mín si de gur na anú is
fair actually so fair
sílam go mééis si de gurí muidirráis
Níró ein conspaidir you're much raw conspaidir
Níor fós mu daoine de himpeiste
No, but I very much intended le pásaí there was no chimpeiste Harvey but no intuit in the shop it's good shit
NBB
exactly níl tú it's not like we're sacrificing James
Wouldn't be the first time
no so tu caiú James faoin bus mar is gra but it can't be amach the old war tá Coachella ag teacht suas a mé se bh a gohd I mean si bh gurcur Coachella Rio like I mean some of in na act agus rudí because it's like killing that cost like Glastonbury halls na stage it's like sin kill tan vibe cearna acu hall sin
Glastonbury ach go daoine páis
basically
Well bhí muidir Lord le chum radí tífa seo réir agus sílam go omh difriúil a thugan daoine cáúile don féile agus an sin rud actually Harlín go sé lofa gomprad le an cuma sin tú ó na Kardashians agus gobbéidir eile le slebs le atá dulthaige náhfuil sé mar géna churbe agus caiit tú fannacht le uirclaigh a Hugh as ní hiag le campáil ar an láthair ó hiag le campáil
it's like desert like it's a lair in desert like in California
freshen like na daoine cáú a go rán tá sé sin like Jin fáil an package is fear
siad san ag fáil leor íceat le post a chun áidir Instagram coppla céad míle ar leid
Tá sé sin basically fácht os an chuig réalt se tá an agus na daoine eile sin fairnach ní écinn tú bhór an faoach hí duine tá duine bháin cháin ag stúisi gur sé iontachtó so
As I think go last no guitar who is okay I thought you were going to say that's me go white Kim Kardashian I guess there's a girl time my
yeah ní chuí reply a message come
ach dearhin go glórdíine agus bíine chu like an bossa eiliste an lá like láthair campáil a lofa an daoine cáil le fáil like limóiste an bailach linketr.ee desert
ach is sé ceann go like na festivals atá an like goil in ngerid cultúí mór an dat tú feá like dat tú guarantí go tú go feá chuig na séise go na cultúí Charlotte so is so go cinná investment bhá an after go an like
Ryan or one Ryan liv se fe mai goin
Dar óach chundul éim blian rahingim líana
Meallar Frank
tá se rás but Sean Rudd though he's like notorious le bheith ag nu calú ar gigs like ag bomach jarna so I literally will not believe it gotí come se like we're fully doing a watch party in Mahach like genuinely like is it like to Mahain agus much cumar DT like go fána so like an cuig hugger margin
you go ra be se learn híh
oh absolutely agus but fame too much chuna anu like the Frank anything the Frank the Frenches The French
cheese mac an airge
mac an airge mar dúirt roí an fad an lehain fé má ag fanna tú tá but the actella dó Rachel
Be Hugh fá tús le an Coachella be mis just brother NBA
Cur má text hey with the Gurkha Shaw mission like a clean alone when you're like Gurkha like the Boston Celtics versus like
Golden State Warriors we're like nah it's my brand new item
Tis a clean you made here and
yeah
Steph Curry to just go my
the Lakers and LeBron and British all-time records my queen is just the animal chamaige
the whole broadless
as the ban air nach go bhean cumáin
Tá cinse the murder capital atá mitarthú not Jesus Christ no níos lim nach níos lim ní
that's Stab City
yeah murder capital please
droghada
Bronarm the gunner be droghada
Neil Bronarm but no the murder capital tá sé that's there and there's Coachella or Éist riú le Fontaines DC
Lord wouldn't have we Fontaines DC coupler and phodchraoladh tá beef agat le Fontaines DC
ní máim sa Fontaines DC
Lord mo chul ceair leat fi seo because is sprála hí Fontaines DC agus dúirt Hugh she'd like D4 no
posers
yeah ag ligan si darthú nach as D4 go mean sir canúnt agsúlachu or whatever as an sin dinch mo chul ceir dit is as muy ó de vertigo with like a mar sin
but in pre-vlad is as scaries which is like admittedly like Tasha or an Thig who I da Balaklia but it's like completely different like it's like nice north side Balaklia like
well do you want tan trid shoid or tusags mo chul ceair so
like you know achas as like my old birtaku so surely that took just she's a lot of scaries so you know that's my own creator like so
it's in the creatory box come on James Lee Keegan left
I know
they've had it tough enough for charting
that few on Lee Keegan dog on it
I know ni higling ve raw criú but anyway there's the cost of Fontaines DC act da roshid mai agus
They mo chul card you to message reach marhanish
yo kinse and I will say I'm Jiran with Kierna could their man shaw tis ní tamai ach tá lad on as duine ná sa banna cheall fásta so I think go te true agus baliclia agus an sin an lad tá earn base hí lad eile agus de an banna agus first den lad just duine ná le bheith immer an basenis so the session go amach Coachella fásta agus so bhí sé námsa dhéanú rih COVID agus bhí me siútal le hin sir go Edinburgh agus bhfuil ma lá san airport agus you know
starstruck
no shot completely like humbled your man because like so obviously if you shot like seachtainí and you'd go to Coachella agus you know if you should like and you like grab them all because whatever if you should glaze like humlan and do like sunglasses you know they were the coolest like you know cool as you could ever be whatever
like wants you to know they're celebrities
yes
yeah
Hugh Mrs. Suasaku tracksuit bottoms Donegal jersey on alright Jesus give how you getting on agus bhí sean banna cáil am call ceir fásta but bhí me like Jesus how you getting on I was gonna crack whatever agus third man like Jesus it's far from Coachella you were raised agus like an lad eile nachlis being like oh my god like got her like what is happening like
she'd like she'll like go leisteach again no go homeland okay
go homeland yeah absolutely like a thing you ran was doing all but so the shit and got a shaman so think be a podcast shot go Coachella I can't do old thing be a tegéisiile shot go Coachella
Sílam gnoscla mission mar scéad Instagram agus be Hugh and Jin
like
I wish
we've trained sure na nolog agus bhí Hugh ag ceolchorm ahan ihead and chatting ar fat Sílam trí hachtan Tá mé rá just ba sé na rud like Jenny tún cinú an bomate dúrla agus ní intro tú go na bhí as si just feici bid scéile agus tú a cuiinú de Frank Ocean ar
sin rud like mátá Hugh go le bog go gáile just come I get residency as Roisin Dove I'll be
gig galan sin
gigs sin gúni like
I wonder will certain ballriocht go jig letail can me soon tí han connection
be the arm like it's bad like river nog like we much gji Whelan's gan flana as in like we're just like sure just chipping much Katar shul it wasn't even like grow much Gary thing anyone in particular like Jennings session like Sarashin do like their Wugman shot 100% I would literally just show up and be like right who's on right guys Cé gáil tugi me chuig eurodíh
Higlum tú eil just fáil post part-time sin just dear guns go le taníhain just na giganí
ar chuúlan bhar just being like
thug le bheith slín sin naní gééis se leis an ceol.
I'd have a great time.
Yeah.
Don't be threatening me with a good time now. Let the hall. Jennings should not vicar street faster. Absolutely. Kevagate. But no, not go fall. Ní go fall anyway. Well, then you be on, like, will Banachil or will, like, Alientor or whatever be on that you're, like, Jenningshin, like, I would go to, like, you know, I'd spend, like, an ungodly amount of money, like, all, like, no, Chiarella, honey, dakel.
Like, Peter Banig and Nonar Oiga.
Yeah.
Like, Green Day, no Fallout Boy, Vaction just, Vaction Dean Tabio.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Ní don't go back can be go rahin Trasna and Atlantic. I
mean, if you against just sort of running with a jog, why to get in the Shetlands like y'all.
So, Coim, she not Kate or Grubbish her lard.
What?
Nakaji, Nailan Shetlands, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Coim er. Ni me her lard, you go my doyag.
Really?
Yeah, as Coim me that. Detchel me? Detchel me shak go Dunaden, agus an sin. Cuimuid go fad le Aberdeen as an sin form an bad maithig na Shetlands agus bhí turas mór ceol bhí le grúpa de tro dalta nó ru ag an mar sin agus bhfuil mu na pátí le go mhain sin agus chasmuid ceol na Highlands a bhí sénta.
Oh my god, bhí sin do chéad uair like ag fáil an tír.
Yeah, le dulgus tí na Shetlands. And rud is exotic guacamole on Shetland pony.
Stop. Agus le dingy Halshin, they're fairly exotic faster.
Yeah. Start are going so good in. Cos le Witcher Ilan or Vihan Air and it's good.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. Oh my god, Aaron Moore, what a spot! Like Anna Tim Shear, it's just like madness, absolute madness.
Can't you do it this hard?
Oh, we miss go London, never miss really og, because we. Bhí me ar go fáil go burhan sin ar bhg me rás go run the Fáilte. So bhí me haar lear. I'm a plain baby. I'm a well-travelled baby, like, you know what I mean? Bhí me as the staff and Stan said, we were well acquainted. Bhí me ínta go mór like eile. So agus a Gatwick fásta. Yeah, no, bhí me Gatwick bhí mar like ridiog. Nus no income. And cad like lay in the Sierra bhí mar was chuimiid go níos. In Sraith, like whatever, where they're Malats, it's a big Celtic tiger destination, like the key camps. What have you ever sure key camps?
No,
it
was like a campsite, like, you know, adventure camp or whatever. Coachella and Doita, it's in time to intention. He's Centre Parks, Coachella Centre Parks.
Oh yeah, we call these a Gorka Trebalgan.
Yes.
Yeah, we met
Trebalgan.
Yeah. So Gira Coachella Trebalgan,
what these fair?
More French.
Around to is sort of mobile homes more. Yeah, so Cuimo Mantin le Coach Colcarga. Ni Amish were like Hira Chiley more faster. Tim with than cheer. Cuimo could do mal like Shanae.
Oh fair. Yeah. I mean that is basically like Dull Harlar.
Yeah, that's go about the Hule.
Can't get there with the Harlar. With the Rio Harlar.
Harder, Thomas Harder. She got it.
Me all can dini con amara.
But when he's a carro, so
dude,
it's not Harder.
So you know my cat come with go Boston. Martailach, yeah. So.
Ooh la la.
You that fancy?
Well, mini Connemara from Boston.
True,
so,
actually.
Yeah. No, after scale actually really funny. I'm Holland, so we my cat obviously my
car obviously
Gosser like so. Come as like a troll or one. Agus is that gimmers at draw so there it should scale on my to know ni queen comes out rud one between Thursday look like if you my cat like
yeah
so do shulum groma look at a draw agus hospital gimmers that on like we you know it's in the sand castles agus churud mar agus just has my to team plus go dimma we my imi like so obviously panic and my to we should react and you should my all in a not like chuisteach dín tro go orb go ag na Gardaí like chuistead ag na Gardaí bhí ar a trá yeah chuistead fáil na Gardaí bhí ar a trá chun trial má all ach like an áit bhí mo winted bhí siad inacid le so bhí mo winted inacid le balle so forsiad más is éide cannot Roma just an tíbhar go ball it's in the sandcastle it's no way
Jesus shin main character shin funny main character like shin just drama like you are the drama
that is an EastEnders plot line like that
like
is
missing
like,
person
Oh my god. They shouldn't have Ross Laroon in this shit again.
Má thug bhfuil story le Rossarún sin go thar leir bu gas just tír go ballad in the sandcastles, yeah.
As léisi ar na Gardaí.
Na Gardaí bhí phodchraoladh an áit like in Boston like raw like léisi there like raw tear just obviously like first just a man just tíbhar go ballad like. Absolutely loving life like keep on nach moch sa task to the sandcastles.
Yeah, absolutely.
Class like.
Could you element to Yanu like?
Yeah, I'll tell you to that creamer na on holiday sin na ag bonus staide agus mo great aunt war staide agus glóna fian like agus I think a dafra she fian home.
What?
Yeah, I swear.
James,
Jenny Cho
that's literally David McGrath. I was like, there's two yes, and that reads so much like in the Blianti shot.
It's a true gum that.
Oh my god.
Husband's in the dry January chuig.
I had to quit the smokes house on shocked. It was just it was getting in the way of playtime. You were able to. I couldn't go to nap time without his family. Oh my god. Was guilty of being somewhere like any like holiday disaster stories? I could have
So Reemish a Hugh and Tom are fad.
What?
Like more foster Reemish, not like Hugh and Child, like Navain and Wheeler Mom is shoppy. Rita Hugh Ahanor Gnaim with Jigna shoppy.
Jenny shouldn't exist Alta. I don't need Higgum shin.
I don't. Oh, what range you to Wadja like?
No, just range to the hill. Like the dingy is just never beat the Alta, just range to the hill. As much as wagon to the and that could be actual.
She'd good cards, could ladder on us. She'd sator or they can need simula bidger.
Badger. Well, it's not never happened to me. You know. No.
Well, Vic Marie. So Rima Hewler won a Blanchardstown shopping centre.
Oh my god.
Agus she can grow grime she mom may. If you mean lame to maho or cool lady, gi Shanbra Scanru. As Rima Hewel am ela hís Bunratty Castle gon den chlár bhí ma mí le mantin agus bhí si tí sa shoppa and bhí me sin de bheith arcar and stuff sa shoppa as me gíad ras an car so dag me teo saki as chuim me maithig an car close as chuim me cuairtú carski as daimse me car well hí me gur car section around actually ar cos le carski as cheas me teo leis an car sin Jern fan you lahúr and I was like call she God, like, for God's sake, ik fad sa glachan siya di ahant na ul men acli. Sure, ni ro ma siasú na acli carsi.
Oh my god.
So ni lahura, chuni me yi rihim with ro, as seo auntie now, is an cool auntie. Ni ro si riu crossalum, riu. Ac an tam seo, han si rihim with ro, as chrai si me, as vi si miralum, but si go borha. Ni si go si ne pashtu ma wama kain loot.
Oh my god.
So we just siasú na acli car stranchera. Agus yeah, bhí coppla duine leihí, bhí sort entourage like mo chuirtú mu sa because car close more like
stop.
Yeah, so Rish, I also was the drama mar fast.
Yeah, Jesus.
Main characters.
Yeah.
Main character.
So much main character energy. So Sean Marshall Pilar.
If you miss a goni Gary flag I would always threaten growing up on ridiculous bala, and then like I'd pack like a little bag like like Capri which were just bread and butter. Nero rudderby LSD onto
So dramatic.
and I was like my flag out my do hand that shot agus Jerry much had right to you bye slan right slan lad to you whatever agus shooling him on and it's only Nishigur Karasher that I was walking down a one-way road every time grandma if you want to wreck I'm gonna re-heal and ball or whatever and then I'd walk down a one-way street like an Aklamach or whatever and then irking a rash you can chat the fact that be Mukhwertu. And then I'd be like, no, Kaima got a rash. Actually, Kaima, I'm not going to survive on my own here. So Kaima.
As King Kushamek let a Shula Mahadar, some actually cross the lat where they can dollar by Vigenta got.
Yeah, or like, you're imagining much upper wall because you're a gamer SmackDown versus Raw 2007 or whatever. Or like, some things never change.
You can't go fhocal to Mala.
Oh yeah, Bima like that's it. I can't live, laugh, love under these conditions. These smoke. Bima really like no. Bitch, tort matu, and I'd be like right, that's it. The last straw.
Well, our dús bhí wristbanding mom as bhí sort of leash share agus bhí bhí grimmicky or Jared Ella the leash.
Sorry,
what? Ag Jerry lum mavala mass an wristband so bhír hí harness I'll do as cuis a heart ar my torso like agus When Jenny or Free Hughes actually just married cheer.
What?
Well, task of Hainer, that's we're bashti, that's a whole ladrana, dol shop at as a shasu Lord Ladini, North of Ishmore, Lord Ladini, you would have been East ladrani nation. Just ní were fine be gum.
Ein thing
I actually loved Shopta on Wednesday.
that actually
An
makes sense.
Éist beidir,
No, that
but-
reads. No, I'd say guru.
No, because vi knack amsa like presents on gachur chonshach stripper.
Ah, right. Okay.
Like, vi trick I'm like I pulled on those little hairstrings like mom's dad. Hoyeska.
Are you sure girl trick Ugutsa or they were like we'll keep them occupied lesh and pack of Yu-Gi-Oh card shaw or
No,
lesh
no.
and,
So what like I would say what my hair. So what mission my hair August what dad staff is elevating the lifestyle like get a the hoin like and then like fake how much a jersey like and then like just with my brand new that piece of that. Oh geez, I should really get that now. What is actually like yeah come on let's go my sister job and then linking cado shoot away is what my folks brand new and then just ran your dad and ran her back and was there Chris has a mask attack. Ring you actually like 100 Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Pokemon cards, jerseys, 100.
stop.
Ba cai go tú milse mar rinne me síart rud céine anú agus your mam chur latú sin ní túil. Ní bhaid si rudú ahan ile
That's an Marcus Oigan that bit.
Mission pasha soige.
I know, but a Marcus Oigan is
Yeah. No, ní me ran now gur mam like now why she stuff do but not ahan
No, but-
ile ur.
No, Mar as a
Hey,
fellow
look, don't
Marcus
you know-
Oigan, we would get away
Yeah.
with murder like.
Now
Every kid.
play on those little hairstrings. Agus. It's not the world is your oyster.
Seamus bug.
Seamus Bug.
He knew how to play.
Das, and he still knows how to play.
DJ Shamey Dad.
Maybe Dan. Sinna wrote the Badger it's just go misha inta falsa, but I feel like never even to fuath so as being Dutch tishmari ik shoppadrat and tamer fad.
Yeah.
But I feel like ni to shoppadrat the chuig.
Si mé annach mí a cóáil nurchin.
Beams the cock al nishri.
So
I meant
that's
easy.
the quiz takeaways.
It's bra. Sinna cad with the ring
As bhí mis James Lord fi seo hádí James Sally hat just ahern. I mean Hugh like a cóáil go minic. As there mis during go like is a Hugh came like 3 rud dhéanana go mai. Well I'm ceart go mé ration. Yeah.
No,
And the ring is like killing one home so Agus vi shag ma.
Definitely chicken curry.
Or it was
Chicken curry.
Oh, it was chicken curry, sorry.
Chicken curry, yeah.
Fantastic my pasta. So in Rodden Yanimsa is so that isugum came doile 3 ruddy and ruddy my but Jenim like batches all worthy for whatever. So Jenim like like be macaca like chicken and bacon pasta whatever and Cayman pack it on bacon and pack it on cark like pack it on pasta. Cark, yeah, absolutely. Chicken and bacon. Oh sorry, yeah. A live chicken.
Cark is like the cletchy bus.
Yeah, I put a full roast chicken as these so walk.
She puts a back
Fáim chicken agus Jenim batch all word I shouldn't miss it then lie like tree.
Na níor tú chins an céine he trí lá
No, because actually it's food on the cockrat.
Yeah, no, I got that vibe.
No, but
funnily enough.
no, but as in like at fuego my cockrat is more goal acros arm. So then so then about fan art and these more it's just these more am caillou sort of when I'm able to Christopoulos nacros. So I'm just like, oh, I'm just get a bit gentle, whatever.
So and go come to a couple of cane and chatting.
Jenim and pasta, Jenim and curry. Agus vishal gets James, and you can attest to its quality.
A1.
Less sweet potatoes example vishal test.
Oh.
I know, I'm telling you. I'm a pro like. Agus a chin in a reach Jenim yoma like packet like pretty whatever, and then it'll be just like a roast dinner of some sort like so then like yoma like v steaks or we get Jerry Sharking or whatever so like Candyman steaks and pretty much another too much steaks okay
well could you mention your blossom kit
I'm telling you now but then because like foil like mile all were practical then it's like the caddy it's like I don't know like pork chops or in caddy it's like
it's like, meat and 2 veg sort of dinner
yeah Agus gravy, been gravy come faster. Come on, you might go auction.
So we met search. I was on the money.
Yeah, on the money. Yeah. But it's more out of just mischief false. It's not out of like a lack of
that's
knowing.
good. Here, Keshni would Shinryu.
Wow. Okay. Wow. But Tash it might though. I feel like I know that an audio medium is a great way to describe how good something tastes.
I'm telling you, ASMR.
ASMR. It's a whole blast. I'm telling you. Chicken, bacon, garlic, onions, pepper, not like salt and pepper, but like like red peppers, yellow peppers, cream, fusilli pasta.
Fusilli.
Fusilli. Have you seen time there?
I feel like shouldn't pasta massa.
No, but like my to spaghetti dot because my ear it says canela and it like was a disaster because we had just like grammy like ella.
During the fhocal 2 years or something.
All right then. Oh my god, bring my ear. You know I near cartage like mat the like authentic pasta yanu kai to like gan cream usage is just ever how usage.
Yeah, like carbonara, yeah.
Bring mashin urwain. Disaster.
Of scruffa gut.
Oh, it was like scrambled pasta. Like fish just
Come a tutorial over it.
The tutorial over it.
Yeah. Well, we can go over a gishtin idalak. So. Yeah.
Bearm in scrambled live pasta.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Cost la mainig is Nicola. What kind of version? Wild Atlantic foodie.
On block challenges.
Yeah.
Oh, and the Hugh lands.
Yeah. Never my genuine lentil bolognese. Agus ring my jar with an actual spaghetti fhocal, so it was just spaghetti in ishkafuir like laugh or whatever, and I just be my gurker and I was like can't find that push all like dull sheets like usually like they're getting to spaghetti like chich and chasta pata, and it just didn't, and then it was because your Herman with the god and then Bjorman with the blasu or in the air, and I was like ten sauce inta jas, everything else is terrible.
Or eat doing pasta criú.
It bring my ear out. Bhí sé al dente, come on, please.
Oh my who.
Al dente as in feckin' raw. But oh my god, and you much Ihe come dine with me. And true again.
Ring me session them with housemates actually. Yeah, we should actually really go on.
When he glad like ni hawan, come di hen dinner vegan. Yeah. So
Huckling Shinianu.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tom was going to go for chicken curry, pasta, and
roast, steak,
or food poisoning.
I kind to starter main agus milshog yanu must come down.
Rain was just main agus milshog.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, just actually. I'm not going to blow my own trumpet. I think a room.
As an yarnshiv and cert and votal, come on.
No, I think you just do something that are shot and kick happens to rooms. I guess. Yeah, I think a room should.
You think or would this?
Yeah.
But Kay actually would.
Misha.
To my round.
No, these are actually even on.
My round of anish boohy Misha show.
Oh, absolutely, 100%.
So Misha coconut full le ura shwan on microwave.
Shaw just literally just five of the Jenny Shaws and just Michigan's James Gary Lashgal just
keep being
just Kermit's Toos, Liddy Hense and Jenny was the Hasser Doos. And then when we can fit it into our schedule, because I mean, it's lads Graham.
In fairness, ring him actually dishma. Ring him like
and
pasta like tomato garlicky sauce le prawns.
Ooh, it's like gambaretti.
Yeah, agus chin le milshog, cookies agus ice cream agus walk on the cookies.
Oh my god!
And you're into dough to hin or can you to dough?
Dough on my hin.
My who?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Or did you churn the ice cream?
Sure. Yeah.
Mesh goo.
Look, I hope you remember is he madam like what bevroren van aan kookracht niet smooth. I just like toen je hem like.
No.
Die madam concept gemeen de kookracht niet voor na dat to gitje.
Shouldn't rod.
Yeah. Bevroren wij gitje niet smooth at my kookracht. So she not for these clean cut meals just a microwave 5-minute job ginger down like tell me what gitje.
And ganning to it.
Fucking full of fun.
And ganning to microwavable meals.
Clean cut meals, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the fitness
microwave dinner.
Fitspo.
The Fitspos, yeah, absolutely. The low calorie and the taco fries is what you were saying. Like, isn't the...
You're cool, my reef.
Yeah, it's deadly. Sweet potato taco fries.
Burrito bowls.
Yeah.
Everything.
I'm telling you.
Did you try it?
No.
See, and
you... See, spralum sva cocal. There's a cusla therapy do. Shin an tam gon misha like huivness. Kaihim she... Hoklum scoplo or kliga kaihu. Jenna Bela. Mas, mata okad or something or should be...
I wouldn't mind kookracht go reinsteiny. But kookracht am hain is like...
Yeah, it's just a struggle.
I think to go to Geshupa so the careful ingredients like Rudo wanted to run out to kookracht like I love spinach. I thought you could friggin' spinach the packet good dinner on. Like you need to go to making spinach for one person.
Even more now nar cocan to it. Nar cocan to it sure you're in wadney slew.
Ach like need to go to pack a look at ich though.
Kershad the smoothies
Oh yeah, but like from the pre-made smoothies.
Just that's a microwave fast.
Yeah, good smoothies as a microwave.
I give up. I'm a gentle.
Ten Korashak or Akras arms.
Yeah, my stookiness. Ryan Richmond and Junior.
I think we might have to call it. It's just Ryan was like Bela and Yanni Muchin. But we just do that right. Okay.
Good do.
Gurmina Migas of the Geisha list the Shansley. Look, we have to be honest. Look, the people come to us for our honesty.
Yeah.
But and not just lying gossip or fod. I mean, being seachtainiúil. Because much you lying goss and tamar fod. Mister like the hassle rare just breaking down all the scandal of Itarla Mahilsa.
Han se din se dún faoi $100 in a heel gra.
I was going to say, better don't put a number on it.
No.
Or the friend is ringing position couple of in it and you vision like
this is you're a bad influence.
No, we miss literally.
No, she needs to get on a happy relationship.
We miss see. We miss my he go cooner and tolok. Is there Hugh in crack? Is there miss no Jay Futsa? Is there che? Yeah, tan energy cracking. Ain't goss.
Do you hear this tea?
Yeah, V goss.
We should literally current questions. Could joke. We should just get into an urgent. We goss again.
I wanted the scandal. Let's say, and then you had no scandal, so I was like, right. I suppose could got him a.
Even scandal real ogum. That's a good show.
I know, but I wish. Like and so actually sort of creating much will must whistle Cara so like you get seachtainiúil
Cara inverted commas.
No, it was a Cara.
Can you Carjul?
Can you Carjul? Will must whistle agus my against the fing and cracker fod a viogum and it was literally like jaw dropped like súil like chartama's fucking seki whatever and she was like oh my like what is wrong with you? Like, do you throw the heels so that I'm like the center of like a made shot crack or whatever they got array?
Oh, yeah.
Sure, look, 2023.
We have that.
Exactly, piece of crack. Punching. Your mean of gives up to be gaseless the chance to Madarash. Áine ag an líothog margin the phodchraoladh agus bio or radio rira Áine ag a seachtainiúil agus an lunar go seachtainiúil agus sinna fág bhfuil an studio gáanta seo agin. Sir go mai gada or stad IE mar general han promo with Gary Áine amsú the man host that she more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or Twitter agus anywhere or TikTok with Gary James amsú the man host that she more fluency or Instagram fluency or Twitter agus fluency or Instagram agus mat Gary main amsú the man host that more Hugh Car here Instagram Hugh Car here Twitter agus Hugh Car or TikTok Lane Road ela go gaim flugal nish before we absolutely stuff ourselves like a BB at much go
No, just best look at the chuig.
Níama dollar cunne. Níama ag dollar cunne.
Fecky much. Bela fhocal.
Bela fhocal. I'm telling you, I hear wedding bells.
No,
right.
No, be she like a jiglet dinner her trash ma haken not.
Oi.
Fisha James. Fisha James the torture rash kitchen chat. Ní bheith dingy be alla chart na wala. Right, okay. Slanny libh, but he's also Jerry shouting it as been live and chatting shuggy. Slan.